Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're going to be talking about a couple of different vent covers and vent cover accessories. If you want to see these guys in person, stop off I-81, exit 1, Greencastle, Pennsylvania. First thing we're going to be talking about is your vent inserts. These work great for keeping the hot air out in the summer, keeping the cold air out in the winter. They will fit pretty much any vent cover. They run usually right around the $20 mark as we film this in 2017. Next thing we're going to be talking about is roof vent covers for on top of it. Now this one's made by Camco. This one features 2 Phillips screws in the back, allowing this to hinge down, and you can actually pull the screen out so you can clean this mesh screen in here if it gets any dust, debris, or anything like that in there. Also gives you a little bit of access to clean inside your roof vent. Now, this unit is going to mount with 2 L-shaped brackets here and here, and you can find the instructions inside of this packet right here on how to mount them. Again, this will work great for any crank-up roof vent without a fan. The next one we're going to talk about is the Max Air 2. The Max Air 2 is made in the USA, runs just under $60 as we film this in 2017. There are 3 vent covers in the back. Has again 4 L brackets, but now featuring quick release pins, so we simply pull the pins out and we can hinge this thing completely off, allowing us to clean the whole inside out and giving us full access to the screened roof vent. This one is going to help a little bit more air come out. Both of these are going to have the same feature as having sharp angles on the back to prevent any water from getting in here during any rainstorms. They're also going to be available in a few different colors. We have them in black as well, or smoked. Please check pricing on the black and smoked. Typically they run a little bit more. Now, for those of you that have a Fantastic Fan roof vent cover, Fantastic Fan actually has their own individual roof vent cover. So please stop down and see us here at Keystone RV Center off exit 1, ID1, Greencastle, Pennsylvania. We can go over why you want to use this specific vent cover for the Fantastic Fans. Again, give us a call, 1-800-232-3279 with any additional RV questions. We're always here to help. Thank you. Have a great day.